Most cat owners never look inside their cat's mouth until something goes wrong. A little bad breath, a small change in eating. Maybe your cat suddenly stops chewing treats they used to love. And by the time you notice it, the damage may already be serious. But here's the strange part. There's one simple thing many owners are now adding to their cat's food that may help support cleaner teeth and healthier gums over time. It's cheap, it's easy, and most cats don't even notice it's there. What is it? And why are so many cat owners completely ignoring dental health until it's too late? Because cats are experts at hiding pain. A cat can have sore gums, infected teeth, or serious plaque buildup, and still sit quietly next to you like nothing is wrong. That's what makes dental disease so dangerous in cats. And honestly, this topic matters more than most people realize. Your cat uses their mouth for everything: eating, grooming, playing, even showing affection. So when their mouth hurts, their whole world changes. And today, we're talking about one surprisingly simple habit that may help support your cat's dental health naturally. The ingredient? Dental support powders made from seaweed or natural enzymes. Now, before you scroll away thinking this sounds weird, stay with me, because the science behind this is actually fascinating. These powders are usually sprinkled directly onto wet or dry food, and instead of scraping the teeth like brushing does, some work through saliva. Over time, they may help reduce the buildup that sticks to teeth and gums. Most owners don't realize this, but plaque starts forming on a cat's teeth only hours after eating. And once it hardens into tartar, it becomes much harder to remove without professional cleaning. That's why prevention matters so much. Think about it like this. If your cat had a tiny pebble stuck in their shoe every day, they wouldn't tell you. They'd just slowly become less playful, less energetic, maybe ever more irritable. Dental discomfort can look exactly like that. A cat who suddenly avoids dry food, a cat who only chews on one side, a cat who stops grooming properly. Sometimes the mouth is the hidden reason. And this is where it gets interesting. Wild cats naturally clean their teeth differently than indoor cats do. In the wild, chewing through raw prey, fur, and bone creates friction on the teeth. Indoor cats usually eat soft processed food that sticks more easily to the gums. So modern house cats often need extra dental support that their wild cousins never needed. That's why these food toppers became popular in the first place. But here's something important. No powder, treat, or supplement is magic. If a product claims it will cure dental disease forever, be careful. Real dental health is about daily habits, regular checkups, and noticing small changes early. Still, adding a safe dental support supplement to food may become one helpful piece of the puzzle, especially for cats who hate toothbrushing. And let's be honest, most cats act personally offended when a toothbrush comes near their face. You open the toothpaste, they disappear. You pick up the brush, suddenly they become Olympic-level escape artists. So owners look for easier options. Now, another thing many people overlook is hydration. Dry mouths can create a better environment for bacteria. Cats naturally have a low thirst drive because their ancestors got most of their water from prey. That means many indoor cats today may not drink enough water. And when cats eat only dry kibble without enough moisture, dental issues can sometimes become more noticeable over time. This is why many vets encourage adding wet food or water-rich meals into a cat's routine whenever possible. But here's the surprising part. Dental disease doesn't just affect older cats. Even young cats can develop plaque and gum irritation surprisingly early. Some owners notice bad breath in kittens and think, tea's normal forever. Sometimes it is temporary. Sometimes it's the first warning sign. That's why checking your cat's mouth matters so much. Look for red gums, yellow buildup, drooling, difficulty chewing, or sudden changes in eating habits. Cats rarely cry out in pain like humans do. Their behavior changes first, and the emotional part of this is hard. Because many owners only realize their cat was uncomfortable after treatment finally removes the pain. Suddenly the cat becomes playful again, more affectionate, more energetic, almost like they've been hiding discomfort for months. That moment hits a lot of owners deeply, because they realize their quiet little companion was struggling silently the whole time. Does your cat let you check their teeth easily? Or do they turn into a tiny furry ninja? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake cat owners make with dental health. Waiting for obvious symptoms. By the time a cat stops eating completely, shows visible pain, the problem may already be advanced. Cats survive by hiding weakness, its instinct. So the healthiest habit is paying attention to the tiny clues before things become serious. A little bad breath, eating slower, dropping food, less grooming around the mouth. Those small signals matter. And honestly, your cat depends on you to notice them, because they can't explain what hurts. That's why something as simple as adding a dental support powder, increasing hydration, offering dental-friendly treats, or doing quick mouth checks can make such a difference over the years. Not because it guarantees perfect teeth forever, but because small daily habits often shape long-term health. And in the end, that's what being a cat owner is really about. Not just feeding your cat, not just giving them toys, but learning the quiet ways they communicate with you every single day. Your cat may never say, "My mouth hurts," but their behavior says more than words ever could. If you want to understand your cat on a deeper level, subscribe to Kitty Cam.